Hey guys, my name is Luis, and what you just saw was my 1992 240SX, and yeah, welcome to my channel. So this channel is going to be mainly about cars. I don't know if you could have guessed that or not, but yeah, cars. And starting out, it's just going to be me building my car, my 240. Has a Turbo K, and yeah, so I'm 15 right now, and my main plan is to finish this, not finish it, but just have it running next year so that I can go to school on it, drive it to school while I still wait on getting my license. Yeah. The reason I have a 240 is, you know, they're my dream cars, honestly. Realistically, okay, so I don't know. Ever since I started watching, you know, a well-known automotive YouTuber, you know, named Adam Mosey. I don't know if you ever heard of him. I don't know. They're not that big, but yeah, ever since I started watching him in like 2015, 16, when he first got his 240, I honestly fell in love with the car, and it's honestly been my dream car ever since. So I started saving up for one since around like I was 13, 14, and then last year, December, at the end of the year, I bought this car, and then yeah, now it's June, so it's been a minute, but yeah, now I'm finally gonna bother to start finishing the car. I bought the car not running. Guy said all I needed was a battery relocation and a bigger battery, and it should be fine. It wasn't fine. It didn't start. It wasn't getting any power. So that was because there was a ripped wire that was part of the ignition relay. So yeah, the car wasn't starting and nothing was happening when you would put the key forward. But now it runs and moves under its own power, but still needs a tune and is misfiring a little bit. So when it's running, there'll be little pops, which I might just throw in a little clip in there to showcase that. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. first couple, not first couple vids, but first vids I'm gonna be making are gonna be just like me installing all the parts I'm getting, or all the parts I have, just installing them. I have standalone ECU, new clutch, new injectors. I don't know, man. I got so much stuff that I need to install. I just can't wait to start working on it. So yeah, I'm just stay tuned, I guess. I don't know, and bear with me because this is very awkward for me. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this vid, and I'll see you in the next one.